Hey guys, what's up? Cool cats and kittens. It's April 6th. Tomorrow starts officially week 2 of e-learning. Nothing new in terms of assignments. Make sure you do your review packet. Make sure you guys are watching those review videos, Heimler Histories on YouTube. Paul and I are working on a DBQ for you guys. We're going to take one out of the AMSCO book and alter it to make it fit with just the 5 docs and make it work. You'll have that in the next few days, I would assume. Then we'll be able to get that to you maybe into this week. We can write DBQ over the weekend, or what I'd really kind of like to do. I'll talk to Paul about this. I'd like to sit you guys down in a virtual room, just make a Google Hangouts, share out the prompt on Classroom, and you guys have 45 minutes to type it, and just be there, just because you've got to get used to that format. That's something that's new to us. Okay. It's kind of like the source-based multiple choice that we do all year long, 10 questions, 10 minutes. You get used to that format. I want to make sure you're used to this for the test here in May. Make sure you're watching those YouTube videos every night at 6. AP World History is live on YouTube. That's all been saved and chronicalized. You can go back through and watch that on YouTube. They have some review videos. They're okay. They're lengthy. They're like 40 minutes long. It'd be a lot, but if you want to go back and look through some of it, it's good stuff. I've watched several of them, and they're very good. Check Freemanpedia every day, his daily updates. You should now have a link on Classroom for the AMSCO book, and all their review material is on there. Don't forget about Albert.io as well. Okay, there's a lot of stuff for you guys to be doing. Make sure you're staying on top of things. I know it's really screwed up right now. Nobody is really wanting to do this. Your desire right now is not there. I get it. It's hard to get excited about working and schoolwork and that sort of thing, especially since we're not going back until August. But you and I have a job. Our job is to make sure we pass the AP exam. That's what we need to be focusing on. You have other classes that are very important. I'm not downplaying those, but this is your class you want to take. Get that college credit, that AP credit, to save yourself some money there at school later on. And even if we were to end the school year before our test day is still going to be our test day. Okay, so we've got some work to do. Make sure we're staying focused and engage as best we can. As always, any questions, feel free to ask them, and we'll go from there. Okay, Carol Baskin killed her husband. Goodbye.